Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today we're going to look at a 2021 NauticStar 251 Hybrid. This 2021 251 Hybrid's powered with a Yamaha 300. Has a ski tow bar on it. Big large rear seat. Actually flips down into a casting platform. Has a mount for a pedestal seat. Integrated cooler, as well as a live well. Rear boarding ladder, also has a forward boarding ladder. Step down into the cockpit. SeaDek with measurements. Rod storage for up to 21 rods. Rocket launchers. Large console. Integrated windshield into the T-top. LED lighting in the T-top as well. Has a head with a pump out. Large bow area included with a Yeti cooler. This is brand new for 2021, the 251 Hybrid by NauticStar. I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Look forward to having you come by.